welcome to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw beautiful kites. Here I will draw some beautiful kites and some beautiful designs. So let's follow me and try to draw with me. Here I am drawing some clouds. Let's color the picture. I am using a light blue color for all the clouds. Now you can use any kinds of color as you like for these beautiful kites. Here I am using different kinds of color for these kites. Wow, all the kites are looking so beautiful. So, let's try it at home today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos for you. Till then, bye bye dear friends.